Hey friends, if you wish to sync Microsoft Edge across your PC, phones and tablets, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Open Microsoft Edge. A few settings like bookmarks and all will be synced everywhere. But for settings other than that, click on your profile picture and then it will mention here setting up sync and it will say sync is on. Okay, so this is how you can sync your profile. Now click on settings. Okay, and then select sync settings here and make sure that all of these switches are on. That is how you can manage the sync settings, and if you have any doubt just click on resync. So this is the process, but here's the thing: by default all of these options are already checked on Microsoft Edge unless you have disabled them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.